Welcome back to Market Open. The local equity market is what we have been talking about in the beginning of the show today. The first two trading sessions of the market have been dull on account of volumes. Profit-taking element has been prevailing in the local market as well. Yesterday, the market closed 45 points in the negative, closed at a level of 9,029 point level. So offloading was seen by local participants in the market yesterday. However, as far as foreign buyers are concerned, net buying of about $4.3 million was seen in the local equity market yesterday. Monday, we saw about $1.1 million worth of profit-taking coming in from foreign investors as well. Overall, dull activity is prevailing mainly on account of the holidays coming in, on account of Jumatul Wida this Friday as well as next week on account of Eid holidays. So some amount of profit-taking is expected in the market. But as far as the fundamentals of the market are concerned, they seem to be pretty strong. Good activity being seen in the textile, E&P, fertilizer and banking sectors. And as a result of that, the market has been able to sustain the level of 9,000 points. And if we take a look at the opening level for the Karachi stock market on the third trading session, it has opened unchanged, opened at a level of 9,029 point level. Most of the scripts in the volume readers in the green zone right now. The Karachi stock market has opened on a positive note. Further analysis on the local equity market, it has actually opened on a positive note, but currently trading at a level of just waiting for a refresh over there. But to get some further analysis, we're joined on the line by our correspondent Umair Shafi, who's standing live at the Karachi stock market. Now, Umair, taking a look at the market on the first two trading sessions, the volumes have been low considerably on account of the upcoming holidays, and also going forward, we are expecting that this dull sentiment will continue for the next two trading sessions today and tomorrow on account of the Eid holidays coming in.
Yes, absolutely, Zen. This is basically, we are seeing the only two sessions now left before the Eid holidays. And even today, we are seeing the market, although market has opened on a positive note. Once again, the oil sector is leading from the front. The index is currently above 44 odd points, hovering above the level of 9,050 points level. So we are seeing very sort of calculated and value buying is being witnessed here, the local equity market. What market experts are saying that oil sector is looking very healthy, mainly because of rising international oil prices, and plus the healthy return which is normally expected from the oil sector is leading from the front. Now, basically, what even yesterday we saw that the market sort of remained under pressure, but right towards the end of the session, we saw that on the back of the announcement which came from the OGDC in regard to their discovery, basically helped the index to trim its losses. But the interesting thing which we are seeing that foreign players, offshore players, are still quite involved in the market. Even yesterday, they made a net investment of around $4.4 million, and plus a report came in from the Credit Suisse yesterday that the Karachi Stock Exchange is expected to touch 11,000 points level by the next 12 months. So all sort of basically international experts, brokers also, they are quite.
But Umair, the oil sector in particular has been in the limelight at the Karachi stock market. This prolonged resolution of the circular debt issue and international oil prices also easing off below $70 a barrel. Is that a concern for investors who are actually active in this particular script?
Well, we do know that the issue of circular debt is a major concern here, because even that is the only, for the moment, that is the only trigger which market players are sort of looking toward, because as soon as this issue is resolved, we will definitely see a good impact on the oil sector. Now, and plus also what some experts say that the chances of a good rate cut is fading out. So this is a major concern as well. Now, there are also a couple of other developments which are taking place here at the Karachi Stock Exchange. Now, yesterday, the committee which has been formed in regard to the leverage product, that committee met with the couple of top financiers, and what it has been revealed that those financiers have sort of given some sort of satisfaction, but they have been told, what we have been told, that they will be giving their feedback in a day or two in regard to this new leverage product which that committee is actually working on. Now, the other major development which we have been told is that in regard to the bids which were invited for the defaulted members card. Now, that date has been expired. The last date to submit the bids was 11th of September. The default committee has not received any bids yet. But what it has been, one of the director has told that although they have not received any bids yet, but if they receive any bids unofficially, they will be receiving the bids, because they have around five cards which needs to be, the issue of 5 cards need to be settled down.
Needs to be settled down. Thank you, Umair, for your update. Umair Shafia, equity market correspondent, and the committee, according to Umair, on leveraged product has been sitting down. But then again, according to certain reports emerging from the stock market, this leverage tool will not be coming at the stock market before the next month. So let's just hope, because investors, local and foreign participants both do want to see this leverage tool. We'll be talking about that. Also, FDI numbers pouring in for Pakistan, obviously showing a massive dip of 57% due to various uncertainties looming over the national economy. We'll be talking about that in detail right after this short break.